Top 10 Coffee Shop in Las Vegas. 1. Desert Wind Coffee Roasters, 4.8, 715 reviews, West Sahara Avenue, 2 Savor Coffee 4.8, 451 reviews, Southeastern Avenue No. 104D, 3 Iwana Specialty Coffee Roasters 4.8, 321 reviews, West Utah Avenue No. 101, 4 Digit, Coffee Company 4.8, 276 reviews, South Casino Center Boulevard Unit 110-5. Broken Coffee, 4.8, 234 reviews, West Spring Mountain Road, 6. Horror Vibes Coffee, 4.8, 103 reviews, Paradise Road No. 307. Vesta Coffee Roasters, 4.7, 1,172 reviews, S Casino Center Boulevard No. 1, 8 Mothership Coffee Roasters 4.7, 703 reviews, East Fremont Street Sweepy 122, 9 Parlour Coffee and Cooking 4.7, 596 reviews, East Carson Avenue Suite No. 140, 10 Bungalow Coffee Company 4.7, 566 reviews, East Charleston Boulevard Suite 180.